Hello everyone, this is Khaldun from Kanen Coffee. Today we're going to test this Breville espresso machine after calibrating the grinder here. And the estimate was like this machine needs tune up. It needs to be like really deep clean the group head. I replaced the gaskets and everything. Let the customer break it down the estimate and just like ask for the calibration of this. I did my best as much as I can to make it like works better, but I cannot guarantee like this is gonna be perfect or how long that be last. So let's go ahead and test it. Hopefully it's gonna work good. Yeah, this grinder was totally clogged with a very coarse grind. It's not bad. Good shit. Hot water. This is the steamer. The hot water. Works perfect. And the steamer takes a little bit until it gets hot and starts steaming. This machine also, the smell of the steam is not good, so definitely it needs descaling. I need a clean cycle too. That's not bad, that's good. Thank you for watching.